Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now we are going to discuss, we are continuing the topic on sets. Now we are going to discuss operations on sets. Okay, let us take two different sets. So before that we just take the two different lists. Let us say 10 comma 20 comma 30 and y is equal to 30 comma 40 comma 50, and like print x dot difference of y. So what happens? Now just see, here we are getting some error actually. So line number 13. So line number 13, here no attribute difference y. So actually the problem is the list object has no attribute that difference. So list not having any attribute like difference. So what we can do is we can make x is equal to set of x, y set of y. If you do, yeah, if you convert this list into set, then it will work out. Just see 10 comma 20 is because this 30 is a thing we can remove from this one, so 10 and 20 will be removed there. If you try to execute y difference x, so expected output is 30 will be removed because of it is there, and 40 50 will become. See, and here 10 and 20 will come. So this way we can make the x difference y for operation on sets only we can do, and we can do some intersection union also. Just see, print x dot intersection of y. See the what the output here. Yeah, the intersection of these two is 30, so 30 will be printed. So this way we can do the different operations, like if you can do the addition operation, like let us say x dot add 80 and print x. So 80 will be added to the x. Like that we can do all additions we can do. If you want to remove some value, like x dot remove some value 30, print x. So like that we can do the different operations, so on the sets. Yeah, hope you understand. Thank you.